144 is order squared, a lattice where everything clicks into place. 12 already signals cosmic completeness months, tribes, zodiac, cranial nerves, so 1212 elevates that harmony to a crystalline grid, like a snowflake zoomed until its hexagon shows inner hexagons. Revelation uses the number twice. A wall 144 cubits high encircles the cubed New Jerusalem, and 144000 sealed souls stand as humanity's perfected quorum, 12 tribes, each with 12,000 hearts, woven into one faultless tapestry. Mathematicians smile because 144 is both a perfect square 12 and the first square in the Fibonacci chain, 55, 89, 1 for 4. The very moment nature's spiraling sequence pauses to take a right-angled breath, proving that growth can twist wildly yet still land on a clean grid. Light itself seems tuned to the same count. A baby's pulse hovers near 144 beats per minute, the paradise tempo before the first gasp of air. Tibetan bells ring at 144 Hz to trombone and prayer together. Raise that by 3 octaves and you touch 152 Hz, a harmonic that sound healers call the Christ tone. Ancient masons baked 144 into stone. The Great Pyramid's face once measured about 144 royal cubits per side, and Tiwanaku's Sungate calendar tracks 12 lunar months as 144 half months, guiding crops and pilgrimages. Digital culture obeys unconsciously. 144 P defines a retina baseline because binary powers of 2 meet the dozenal ergonomics of type at that pixel density, letting letters fall on whole number grids. Engineers bundling glass strands find 144 fiber ribbons the sweet spot before micro-bending loss spikes. Astronomers slice the zodiac into 140 for minor mansions of 2 each for granular karmic weather. In code, the hexadecimal value 0 times 90 equals 144 and translates to no operation, a deliberate pause that keeps the processor pipeline stable, echoing how sabbatical rest stabilizes society every 7th year, 12 times 12 cycles deep. Solar physics notes that sunspot polarity flips average 140 for months, as though our star exhales magnetic breath on the same squared cadence. Gematria doubles the Hebrew word mayim waters to land at 144, hinting at the union of the waters above and below. Architects drafting geodesic domes discover that subdividing an icosahedron at frequency f equals 12 yields 140 for triangular facets, enough for smooth curvature without manufacturing chaos. Buckminster Fuller called the resulting frame a vector equilibrium, tension and compression locked in one-to-one piece, a metal echo of Revelation's gemstone city. Thus 144 whispers a lesson to the collective: magnify wholeness without losing symmetry. When designing communities, gather 12 circle keepers and let each mentor 12 apprentices. A network of 144 hearts forms a fractal that can expand indefinitely while keeping coherence. Meditate on 12 mindful breaths, pause, then cycle until the tally reaches 144. Notice how attention thickens into architecture around you. Musicians might write themes exactly 140 for measures long. Programmers can run 140 for test loops before release. Gardeners could plant in 12-12 beds so crop rotation follows sacred geometry. For 144 is not bland arithmetic, it is the squared heartbeat of creation, where Fibonacci's wild vine agrees to sit still, where circles of spirit snap into squares of matter, and where every cornerstone already contains the blueprint for its own city of light.